to show you how I built a cable pulley system for under 40 bucks.
I bought this set from Home Depot and the pulley. Once I got home though, I didn't have a way to cut the cable, so I had to improvise. This took me probably 5 minutes and I wasn't sure it was going to work the whole time. Once I finally snapped the cable, I grabbed a thimble from the package and secured one end of the cable around it and tightened it with 2 wire rope clips. Next I set my pulley up and fed the cable through. Obviously you can see I should have made this cable even shorter. I ended up zip tying the extra cable instead of going at it with the blowtorch again. Find a good length that works for the movements you'd like to do. Secure the other thimble with the last 2 wire rope clips. I attached a carabiner on each end of the cable and used some extra chain I had and wrapped it around some plates Derek gave me. I'm using a handle I got from my resistance band set. If you haven't seen that review, go check it out. I used it a ton during this last lockdown. I'm looking to get a power rack whenever my house gets restored, and I'll be able to set up a low cable pulley as well. I'm looking to get a rope attachment. Attachments are one of the few things that aren't outrageously priced right now. If you've been hurting like me this past year, give this a shot. It definitely helped me step things up here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have a few more videos coming up this week.